so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Ooh. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you know what Halloween is? Yeah, it's that holiday where you go from house to house and go trick-or-treating and get candy. Oh, I love candy. And those houses are all decorated, really spooky. Yeah, with jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts. Hey, why don't you and I draw ghosts today? All right, let me take this black marker and draw a very big curved line. Ooh, and then I'll do some curves at the bottom, just like that. Whoa! And then I'll draw an arm, another curved line. Woo, with 3 fingers on that side, and on this side, with 3 fingers as well. Oh, cool. And I'll draw a circle right there for one eye, and one right there, but I'm gonna fill it in. Whoa. And then I'll draw a circle for the mouth, and it's saying right there, spooky. Whoa! Wow, I love Halloween, and I love you, Ghost. You are so silly. If you want to keep drawing with me, yeah, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know who my best friend in the whole entire world is other than you? Yeah, it's Meekah. And today you and I can draw Meekah's bag. She calls it a jam pack. Awesome. All right, first I'm gonna start with the color black. Then I'm gonna draw a very small circle in the middle and then a larger circle around it. Oh, it kind of looks like an eye, doesn't it? Whoa. And then I'm gonna draw a straight line across, but not in that very small circle though. All right, and then I'm gonna draw a squiggly line, and that's how she wraps it around her waist. And a squiggly line next to that squiggly line. There we go, how does that look? Whoa, I think it looks just like her jam pack, except let's add some color. Whoa, check it out. Now that looks like Meekah's bag. Whoa, blue and orange, my 2 favorite colors. That's so nice of her to wear those colors. Well, I sure did have a lot of fun drawing with you. And if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? All right, since she has blue and orange, why don't I draw with purple? All right, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today, you and I are gonna draw Twinkle from Little Baby Bum. Wow, Twinkle is such a cute star in the night sky. Yeah, and she's always smiling. Okay, to draw Twinkle, you need either yellow or orange. And we're gonna draw a lot of curved lines that come to a point. All right, just like that. Whoa, very thick looking star, right? Whoa, there we go. And one last one. Whoa, yeah. All right, now we need to draw some circles for the eyes. Whoa, a big circle, another big circle, and then fill in a small circle. Yeah, just like that. And then short, small little lines for the cute, pretty eyelashes. Then a big smile. But we also need to draw a pink bow tie. There we go, just like that. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, she's so cute. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today, you and I are gonna draw a house or a home. Whoa, a house is a place where people live. And sometimes those people, yeah, that family, they might even have pets live in that house too. All right, I'm gonna use a brown marker and I'm gonna draw a square, just like this. Whoa, what a great square. Now I'm gonna draw a triangle on top. Whoop, there we go. Whoa, square with a triangle. And then I'm gonna draw some more squares for the windows so then the people can look outside. Wow, look at that. I drew a square and I made a plus symbol and made 4 squares because of that. Okay, there we go. Here's another one. Wow, and I'm gonna do a door and I'm gonna do an arched line just like that. with a door handle. Whoa! And this house, actually, I'm gonna make sure has a front yard with grass. Whoa! Green grass. It must be spring or summer. Well, I sure do love drawing, and if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a fish. Wow, I love fish. Yeah, they just love to swim underwater. Some are big, some are small, some are fast, some are slow. And today, you and I are gonna draw a purple fish. All right, I'm gonna do a long arch like that. Then I'm gonna go straight up and then do the opposite. Whoa, yeah, see that really wide triangle? Yeah, that is the tail fin. All right, now for the lips, I'm gonna draw a sideways heart, just like that. Oh, so cute. And a small circle for the eye. Ooh, a curved line. Yeah, to separate the back from the front. Oh, there we go. All right, and what does it have on its body? Not fur, yeah, scales. All right, there we go. Whoa, this fish is so cool. All right, I'm gonna draw a top fin up there. Looks like a triangle, right? Ooh, and a bottom fin. But I can't forget about some bubbles. Woo, woo, whoa, yeah. So cute. Well, if you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw one of my shoes. I wear two shoes, but we'll just draw one shoe. And do you know the two colors of my shoes? Yeah, my two favorite colors, blue and orange. All right, let's start with the color blue. All right, and we're gonna draw the outline of it. Let's go straight down. Let's curve that way. Whoa, this is a big shoe. All right, and then let's do a very wide U. That's where my ankle goes. All right, and then let's draw a very long line like that. Whoa, that's the sole of the shoe. And then we're gonna take orange and draw some X's. Yeah, for the laces, so then you can make it nice and tight, so then you can run super fast. And let's draw some stripes. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, cool stripes. Wow, wow, that was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to know a fruit that is very healthy that Meekah loves? Yeah, a tomato. Today, you and I are gonna draw a tomato. First, I'm gonna start with the color green. Yeah, for the leaves and stem. All right, let's draw an arch like this. Ooh, and let's draw some, whoa, pointy things. Whoa, there we go. And then the stem. Whoa, so we have leaves in the stem. And then, what color are tomatoes? Yeah, red. All right, now let's draw a big circle. Wow, now it's starting to look like a tomato, right? I know! All right, let's draw some wide eyes. Whoa, and a very wide mouth. Whoa, what a cute tomato. He is so happy. He's probably happy because he's very healthy. Whoa, all right, well, if you want to draw more with me, yeah, more really fun things like this, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!